I wish you'd tell me what you're thinking. I think it would help me a lot. You know absolutely nothing about me. All I know of you is what Andre told me. Yeah, I had it in my mind that we would be friends, you and I. But, well, if you didn't know about Andre and me and he didn't tell you, I guess he was never going to. He was very sick, I would tell him. Babe, call her. She's your mother. She won't mind. You were so scared of hurting you and your disapproval. My God. How many of us live in this city because we're scared of disapproval from our mothers? We lose ourselves here. Our lives aren't furtive, but our feelings towards people like you, those are. I remember once when he was kind of low, I asked him, honey, what's wrong? He looked at me with a sad smile and just said, I'm a little homesick, Cal, that's all. Just a little bit. I used to tease him all the time. I'd say, you're nothing but a country boy playing this part of this big socialite New Yorker. You like that? This is bullshit. This is all bullshit. Do you remember that comic strip, Little Lulu? Little Lulu's mother had no name. She was very formidable and remote with the children. That's what they called her. Lulu's mother. Hello, Lulu's mother, they'd say. She was very anonymous in their remoteness with the children. You remind me of her. Andre's mother. I'm going to answer the question that you can't ask, and then I'll leave, and you'll never have to see me again. Andre died of AIDS. I don't know how he got it. I tested negative. He died very bravely. You would have been very proud of him. The only thing that frightened him was you. You should have come up that summer to see him in Hamlet. He really wanted you to be there. He was magnificent. Yes, I'm bitter. I'm bitter that he's gone. I'm bitter that this is even happening. I'm even bitter that after all this time, I'm sitting here trying to reach out to you. I'm beginning to feel your disapproval, and it's making me ill. So long, old pal. I blew it. Good night, sweet prince. Flights of angels sing thee to thy rest. Goodbye. Goodbye. Andre's mother. They represent the soul. When you let go, it means you're letting his soul ascend to heaven, that you're willing to let go, breaking the last earthly ties.